It's flying higher and I'm so down. Racing on the silver stream, my friend. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? How is everybody? Welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. I'm here to host the Asia session for My Funded Futures. Hello, everybody. Oh, look at this silver just kaboomed right up. Damn. Look at that silver, 40 cents. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Iceman, how are you? Hello, everybody. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at this silver rally. Damn. All right. Just ran 60 cents like that. NASDAQ looks like a short. I would take a short here on the NASDAQ. 25,760 up to 80, 85. S&P's 92. Most likely here, S&P's 92 up to 96. Hello, everybody. Happy kids. How are you? Look at this silver. Kaboom, right up. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. I would take a scalp short here, 91.05 up to 30 on the silver, or 91 up to 30 if the silver. Anyway, hello, hey, Nicholas. How are you? Stephen Moore. How's everybody? How's everybody? Everybody having a good time here? I hope everybody had a great day trading. I hope everybody had a great day trading. It was phenomenal. Silver, gold, what great patterns on the silver and gold. All I know is that it was Christmas in January. Hey, Barbaretto, how are you? Okay. All right. Who's that? Leonardo, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? How's everything? All right. All right. Look to scalp this gold. Look to cover below 95 on the silver. Wow. What a day. What a day, Hitman. Pretty good, right? Candace, get in there, Candace. Look at this silver drop. You get it?
Yes, sir. 235.
235. There you go. There you go. We're gonna make $1,000 here tonight, me and you and Joshua. You hear me, good buddy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, Dragon Trades, what's going on? Jip Smith, Bread. Anybody new here? Flash Gordon, Golden, Zill from Finland. How are you, my brother? All right. All right. Hey, Tommy, whosoever, how are you? If this silver gets up to the 91, I would go 91.07 up to 37. If it gets up there, look this Sing Silver. I just saw a crazy article last day of the week for Asia. Yeah, if you're short the gold, lower your stops. Just got caboose 20 cents here. Candace, I think Candace was late to the game there. Candace was walking in from the cold, just having her New York City dinner while walking outside, freezing. What else is going on here? How's you need a pro account? David, how are you? Day 2 of watching for me. Thanks for calling. Of course, I call everybody. Candace has been short gold since the opening. Beautiful. Beautiful, Candace. All right. I'm not a meanie. I'm a softy. You kidding me? You short?
Yeah.
Up 374.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my funded futures, I believe you could do 10 micro silver. I just heard it, okay? If that's the case, it's a no-brainer. My funded futures is the best prop firm. Okay, hey K-Sun. Hey K-Sun. All right. All right. Moises already? Seahasket, how are you? First bounce on the 5 minute. Look at this silver drop. That's a cabooshin. That's a cabooshin, everybody. That's a real big cabooshin. That's a real big cabooshin. Wow. All right. Let's see here. Let's see if this S&P's up 11. First bounce on the 5 minute is the gold short. Yeah, we're going to look to short. I want a little higher, though. I want gold a little higher. Not that much higher, though. Hey, Little Roo. Hey, how are you, Little Roo? Oh my God, this Taiwan semiconductor got absolutely cabooshed. When these MACDs turn positive and you get the overbought conditions, look to short them. Oh yeah. Look at copper. Do I have to? Oh my God. Oh my God. What a short 605. Oh, get the bag, Norton. We got to leave copper up. You know that? We got to leave copper up. What do you think? This copper is a... Should we leave copper up? Neelek, how are you? Should we leave copper up? Copper and silver? Holy copper. Right? I like this copper. That's 1,000 contracts traded. Not bad. 1,000K sweep rallying. All right. Copper don't rust. Remember that? That's pretty. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That is hysterical. No more silver, just copper? Well, copper doesn't really move that much. I mean, I don't know. Hi, Ariel Gomez. How are you? Nicholas Garcia, LZ, 15, the Jackal. How are you? If this gold gets up to the 0680, 07, that's short up to 12 and a half, 13 on the silver, on the gold. It doesn't matter. You did your first trade on copper. This was a nice short up here. Oof. All right, there goes the gold. There goes the silver. What's silver doing here? Silver, if you want to take a short, you can go like 10 up to 40 or 15 up to 45 on silver. You're done. I done with Asia today. Why? Why are you done? Why are you done? The silver. I wanted to buy the silver right here on the buy divergence here. See if the silver can get a... There goes the gold right back up. It doesn't matter. What the cover the silver here, 07 to 18 range if you're short. Hello, C-Shocks. Hope I'm saying it right. Papa don't preach. I shorted gold at the last fractal. Okay. Let's see if the fives can get a little bit, another push down here. You know, last night, remember when silver traded all the way down to that 86.12 level? Why would that be a long? I'm shorting the pattern. Why would that be a long? I'm looking to short 91.10 to 91.40. That's what I said. Okay. Yes. Boom. Now, if the silver drops anywhere from the, what did I say, 10? I said the 15, what did I say, 10? 15 to 45, I said, right. So let's see if this thing can drop here. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Hey, Flash Gordon, how are you? Look to cover this silver anywhere from the 15 to 30 range in this. Let's see if this thing can drop here. My funded futures, great job. You know, I've seen so many people look at a silver drop, lower your stops. I've seen so many people. Okay, I've seen so many people today doing so well on the gold and silver. S&Ps. Let's see if we get a push down here on this silver. All right. Where am I here now? I gotta stay. All right, this silver is still bullish. Silver on the 15 and the 30, 15, the 30 and the 60-minute time frames here. All right, got to get this silver to drop here a little bit. I was dying to buy this silver. Cover this silver anywhere between the 15 and 35 range. Can everybody hear me or not? Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? I just got a phone call saying that nobody can hear me. I don't know. Mikey, Jacques, can they hear me? We can hear you? All right. Silver never gives up. All right, we got to look to buy longs here in silver because the 15 and 30-minute time frames want to turn up here. 15 and 30. Look at the 30 and the 60. They want to turn up here on the silver right here. So, got to look to get some longs here. Can anybody hear me? Yes, no, maybe so. So when you see the 15-minute time frame reversing to sell here like this, okay, and the 30 and 60 are still in buy mode, you buy this. This is the oversold condition right here. You buy this long right here. You buy this right here. Okay? Right? I take another scalp short, 691.70 to 92 on silver. Can I get back, please? Okay. Silver kaboom. Yes, because of the 30 and 60s. But if you just take some, I'm looking for some scalp shorts to look for pullbacks. Silver, gold just dropped. S&Ps, NASDAQ, lower your stops if you're short either one here. Okay. Okay, let me see. Aaron, let me just tell him. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on 1 second here, please. Hold on. Silver dropped, S&Ps dropped, NASDAQ dropped. Silver just dropped. Gold just dropped. All right. S&Ps, NASDAQ, I'd be covering shorts here. Silver just dropped 30. Hey, Jimmy Dean, how are you, brother? Gotta wait. You gotta look to buy the pullback here. This is a double blue buy here. The 5 correlating with the 30 and 60 minute. Gotta wait to see if we get a little bit of a pullback here. I'm looking for silver to pull up here. Serial trader, great job. But when I set to cover the silver between 15 and 30 and trade it down to 24. You didn't hear me say cover 15 to 30?
No.
That?
Artillery.
Seriously joking?
No.
Nasdaq's gonna get another push up here. Hey, greetings from Brazil. How are you, my brother? How are you? There you go. All right, we're gonna look to buy the silver here on a pullback here. You know, the 30 and 60 minute. Look at these 60-minute time frames. They gotta push the silver, right? Look at these 60s here. You saw the last 60 here. Look what it did. Now the next 60 is gonna probably push it up to new highs here, right? What's the silver now? 80. Wow. Oh, brother. All right, if this silver gets up to the 84 to 70, 91.84 up to 92, I would say 14. I would look to short it. Where do I cover my shorts on gold? Iceman, I said look to cover shorts below what I say below 05 and a half. It traded down to 03 and a half. Look at the silver drop 20 cents just now. Hello, all from Palm Springs, California. Hey, smiles away. How are you? Damn it, the freaking silver dropped 20. Damn it. Iceman, when you see gold drop like that, and it dropped from what I say, 08 down to 04 and a half, 03, you got to look to cover, right? Iceman, right? Is Jay here? Jay, whatever his name is. How do you determine when to exit? You just lower your stops based on, look at this. Jesus. You want to short this and look for the pullback for longs. You got short?
Me?
No.
I have all for that.
No. It's just 56 degrees here in Florida. I'm dying. It's too cold. It's damn too cold. And we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight, 950. Anybody short the silver at 84? Just drop 30 cents. About 26 cents. Oh, now 30 cents. There you go. Today's a great day to trade silver. Absolutely. Anybody short the S&Ps? Anybody short the NASDAQ up there? NASDAQ just dropped about 24 degrees here in the, no, too cold for me. Too cold. Tennessee. David, great job. Here goes the silver right back up. Wow, what a drop in this S&Ps and gold. In S&Ps and NASDAQ futures here. All right. Very quiet here. I'd short the silver for a pullback. You want to get a pullback here, and the pullback's probably most likely going to be a 3-minute. You think NASDAQ goes caboose tonight? Well, you have you're negative on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. Hit 80. Very cold here tonight, man. Iceman, if you're short, I would probably cover between the 04.5 and 06.5, Iceman. Yes, I do. Okay, son. I think silver hits 100 before gold hits 5,000. I mean, that's a no-brainer in my book, though, right? That really is a no-brainer. Right? Trade Beach. Again, we're going to have a raffle at 9:50. 10 giveaways again. Negative 13 where? Are you crazy? I'm never leaving the house. All right. Goes the silver. Cover the silver here if it drops anywhere between the 79 and 89 range. I agree. If you're a beginner, you better know what the hell you're doing. There you go. Look at the silver drop. Come on, baby. Give me another 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. Would you mind reviewing? You short? Lower your stops.
No, I'm not short.
Why?
When did you say get short?
I said 84 to 04, 84 to 14.
Yeah, I did that.
I put it back out again.
I didn't hear it.
You're 4 feet from me, Joshua. I'm trying to tell you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. If the silver gets up to the 92 range, 92 up to 92.30 range, I look to probably short it there. Okay, hope you covered your shorts here in silver. It just dropped down to 77. Is gold going to roll, Jonathan? I don't know. Why? I said to cover shorts before. If you short the silver, look to just cover 79 to 89. Jonathan, good job. Look at this gold, Jonathan. I called a short here, Jonathan, right here. And then it got kabooshed all the way down to 03. Right? Right here. Jonathan. And if you want to short the gold again, you could probably look to short like 1080, 45, 46, 1080 up to 46, 1680. Wow, look at that. Good job, Woo. Look at that. The silver get up to gold. What? 11. Okay. That's a poly market bet. Silver 100 before 5,000. Can you believe I came up with all these poly market things 5-6 years ago? Unbelievable. That's a great job, Lee, right there. That's a great job, Lee. S&Ps and NASDAQ just got kabooshed. All right. I know. Good job, Iceman. That's a great job. Look at this gold. Oh my, this silver is going to get kabooshed. So you're trying to short here, okay? You're trying to short here, looking for the pullback on the 5-minute. Hey, CT Clutch, how are you? It doesn't matter. I wish I had that sound bite. I know Aaron's been trying to work on it. That was funny yesterday. Oh, all right, silver. I would cancel the short. It just dropped 25 cents here. I don't know. I mean, I think these 50K accounts are kind of small, just in my opinion, to trade the indexes. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's me, but wow, Nasdaq just kaboomed. All right. I think it's just premature. Um, I think it's just a little premature to trade these where you can only do 2 or 3 micros on silver. It's impossible to trade that, right? I think it's just, let's look at copper really quick. I hate taking silver down though. Yeah, I would probably look to short this copper here. 602. I'd probably go 602.50 up to 603.80 on copper for the short. 602.45. Let me just watch it. Then you want to buy pullbacks on copper. 602.50 up to 603.80. Copper. Well, I think there's bigger plans out there. Like my fund of futures, you want to be able to trade 5 or 10 micros on silver. And I believe my fund of futures allows that, if I'm not mistaken. You can't just trade 1 micro. Come on. No way. Impossible. I would short these S&Ps here at NASDAQ. I would short 25,780 to 26,000. S&Ps 95 to 99. There goes the copper. There goes the gold. If you're short the gold, lower your stops. And also for the raffle, you need to sign up and have an account at My Funded Futures. Even if you win, you're not going to win. You got the short on silver. Good job, Jeff. You're not going to win if you don't have an account at My Funded Futures. I'm just telling you all. Good job, Taylor. Now, if this silver could get down to the 91 to 91.35, these 5-minute time frames should set up. Anybody short the gold? Copper just got kabooshed. Forget it. I canceled the short. You ain't kidding, prop firms. I got the whole world trading metals 7 months ago. Marcus, you got the short on the gold. Good job. Jonathan Logano, I hope you shorted. Look at this copper get kabooshed. Good job, Pierre Joseph. All right, singles and doubles. That's all right. Good job, Jeffrey. I said to look to buy the silver between the 91 and 91.35. You go 91.38 range. Wow, look at that. I'm going to get this silver to drop. This copper would have been a great short. Just dropped a penny and a half. Damn. Unbelievable. We have you got to wait on this copper here now. You got to wait for the silver to get a pullback here. That might have been it. Silver, could probably go 15 to 45 now. Damn it. 42. Just ran 20 cents. I missed a short here. Oh my God, it's going to go. Come on. So, all right, let's see what's going to happen here. Anything on Nasdaq? Yeah, I'm calling it short. 25,780 up to 26,000. That's why I didn't want to take copper down. Oh my God, look at this, 30 cents up on silver. I said the 3-minute time frame is going to be the long here, right here. This is the double blue buy here, which means that you get the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame right here. The 5 reverses the buy and it correlates with the 30 and 60. Hope we get a pullback here. It's short Nasdaq. S&Ps, I would cancel the short at 95. Oh man, I'm so pissed. I was 35 on the silver. Got down to 39. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, silver. Give us some action. What about the action last night in silver? Good Lord, right? Hey, Oscar, how are you? With the Nasdaq, where I said 25,780 up to 26,000. I'll cover some Nasdaq here between 65 and 75 if you're short. Get a pullback here on the silver again. I said look to short Nasdaq 25,780 to 26,000. It traded up to 25,781, 82, and it just dropped. Gold's doing nothing here. I want to see one more push up on gold. Down 1100. Hey, Diego, let's go. Everything got quiet. Everybody, welcome. S-Pack. How are you, S-Pack? Come on, do something here, please. Silver's going to explode to the upside. After these 5-minute time frames get oversold into this positive MACD. Come on. Should we get a pullback here? This gold gets up to the 1080, 11 up to 1680. I look to short it. Silver, just traded silver. What a short up here. So when this pattern, what you try to do is you try to short this pattern, right? Which a couple people did, right? And then you look for the pullback. Okay? Then you look for the pullback. Look, silver 50, right back up. Raise your stops. And you can buy it again here anywhere between the even 91.05 and 91.40 again. There goes the gold. NASDAQ dropping, S&P's dropping, silver's starting to rally. Gold should stop here off the 15. How much times? Ready. One. Silver dropped 70 cents off the high. NASDAQ just dropped 12. S&P's just dropped 2. How much you up? Gold, I would cover shorts in gold here. Silver gets up to the 30 to 40 range. I'll exit longs here. Gold was a nice short. Get these 5-minute time frames can turn up here. What a short up there. Anybody short the gold up there just now? Anybody short gold? Anybody short the gold? Just dropped 4 or 5, Jonathan. Again, we're going to do 10 raffles tonight at 9:50. Please make it easy for me to read. Pac-Man, how are you, Pac-Man? There you go. There goes the silver. Get it?
Nope, it's true.
Where were you long? On that account.
Yeah.
Be fair, look up a my fund the futures one. Buy it right now. I'll buy. Why not the one you could trade 10 months? Silver is going to rally here. Gold just dropped. Dorino, good job. David. No, if I look to cover means if you're short, you're looking to cover the short. If it's rallying, I say look to exit longs, right? No, not true. Not true. I don't think it's that hard. I'm looking, well, I got years of experience. I know what I'm looking at. Why do you want to go long? The 15s are going to reverse this. The 15s are going to turn down here. How many can you do on my fund of futures? Copper got kabooshed. Yeah, that would have been. Sereno, good job. Great job. Gold just dropped. Candace, you get the short and the gold? Candace? Now these 15s are going to roll over here. Only 91 13s. That's why I call the exit on the silver. I think no, I don't think it goes to 95 today. If you want to buy silver here, you could buy silver 69 to 99 range. No, I don't think silver goes. No, gold. These 15-minute time frames are going to start rolling over here. Okay, you see the rolling over here? This is what you want. This is why silver was a short here into the negative MACD here and the negative MACD on the 30. Okay? I don't think so at all. And then we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight, everybody. All right, silver just ran 30 cents here. All right, I cancel the buy range. You're going to get one more push up here. Wow, silver just ran 30 cents. All right. Could be 90 what? Not I got it. All right. How much is it? How many? Silver? How much is it? Sorry? Anybody know how many contracts you could do on silver on my funded futures on the micros, please? Anybody know Mike McMullen? Anybody? My funded futures? Anybody know? How many? 3, 5? That's it? 3? 3 micros? Any? Five big ones? Just if you could do 5 big ones, that should be 25 micros. No, Josh? It's a, do you see gold and silver having big connection? No, not at all. Not at all. Hey, KC Band, anybody new, please text me if you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, 914-500-7484. 1 mini, 5 micros. That's correct. Depends on the account size. Yes. I'm not really good at all this, but wow, look at this. Look at this gold drop. Okay, here we go. For my funded futures, it's 30 micros, 3 minis, depending for core, and a rapid ones. You reach a certain threshold, each account, and 30 micros. Copper just got kabooshed. You understand what he just wrote there? I'm sorry? How much is that? $30 silver micros. Systems M saying 30 silver micros. Yeah, because you can't trade 2 micros. Who could trade 2 micros? There's no way that's happening. Who could do that? What did they say? A core account? I'm sorry, Josh. Is that what they said?
Yes.
On Trade of 8, it's SILH6. 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 Anybody get the long down here? Right here? I'm scared to even ask how many micros you could trade in copper. Forget it. Oh, what a long. This copper dropped a nickel. You gotta be kidding me. Why so quiet tonight? No, I don't think silver goes to 95 tonight. Jose Munez, you have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube and sign up, and you have to create a My Funded Futures account in order to get a chance to win. Okay? Let's see if this is silver. Silver should be shorted. All right. This gold's going to get kabooshed. Oh, wow. Look at this silver. It just dropped 30 cents. There goes the gold. There goes the gold. What do you mean it says order rejected? That's insane. Order rejected. All right, we're going to do 10 giveaways here in about 50 minutes. So please, please, please sign up. You got 2 minutes to sign up here, or 3 minutes. 3 minutes to sign up. How much was it? 7? Look at me. That's my gift to you. I want to see how many micros. Why would you sign up for it?
Because somebody said.
The core account.
Right, I got.
But can you read what it says?
Danny said.
Hey, son, if you want to text me and talk to me, my number is 914-500-7484. It's $5 a tick on silver. You guys got a couple minutes left to sign up for the giveaways. They don't work on Tradeovate. They work on TradingView and they work on TradeStation. Wait. Then you just what? You have, in order to sign up for the raffle at 9:50 C-Shack, you have like 1 second to sign up. 1 minute. You got to go to the top of the link and you sign up. Okay. All right. You could look to buy this gold, silver anywhere between the 90.50 and the 90.85 level. If it gets another caboose in here. It's not that the accounts are blown. It's just that you, right? All right. All right, silver here. Look to buy this silver here anywhere between the 63 and 93 range. Just ran 15 here. I'd be looking to buy this silver here. Let's see if we get one more push down here. Or you can go 50 to 85 range on silver. Gold's getting pushed down here. Boom! Silver. Look at this silver. Up 8. Oh my God. 19 cents up. Look at this. Oh my God. 20 cents up on silver. Oh my God. NASDAQ, S&P's getting cabooshed. If you're still short, look to cover the NASDAQ 65 to 75. S&P's, I don't know if it didn't get up to the 95 level. Just, I think it. Anybody get this long here on silver? Okay. Right here. James Robertson, you get it? David, Shawino, anybody? Jeff? Just ran 30 cents long silver. This copper, this top copper, it's down to 590, 580, 597.20. I'd look to buy this copper for another push up. You see this copper here? You see this copper when it pushed up into this negative MACD? That was a short. Gold long? No, I wouldn't buy gold. Let me just look at the gold really quick. 30. See. Okay. Positive on the gold. See. Negative. You have a sell disconnect. No. You're waiting for 85. Gold just rallied 4. All right. Silver. I think if the silver gets down to the 65.95 range. Trader Joe, how are you? I would buy this copper on a pullback. Here we go. Again, you could buy this 50 to 85 range on the Nas on the silver here. Silver is hard. Can be. 15-minute time frames right here. See that right there? See that 15-minute time frame right here? They'll allow 85 up to 95 if it gets up there on the silver. To get back in? And it'll let you do 3 only?
Mm-hmm.
Up here. So look to sell it silver 80 to 95 range if it gets to push up here. Go, baby. Go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 85s. Where'd this copper get down to? Copper. This copper's down 6 cents off the high. Copper's always got to be shorted. Gave this copper tase a 60-minute time frame. Still think you're gonna get another push up here on silver. Up here. Nice. Try it again, like top is gonna this silver is gonna push up here. 15s and 60s and up. I think you're gonna get this push up here on the silver once this 15-minute time frame starts turning up here. We go. And 30 cents off the low. Silver just ran 40 cents here. Are you trading the big ones, Jeff? Look at this thing rally right back up. Wow. Vadimus, you got to give me a call, Vadimus. I don't know what you're talking. We got to fix this. James Robertson, you okay? So how does he get to trade 6 micros here? Jeff, can you text me who you use, please? Jeff? It's like 900 degrees in here. I love the heat. Please text me who you use. Thank you. All right. NASDAQ on the other bull flag here. This NASDAQ up 79. Probably looking to short this NASDAQ. Just got down to 67 on the bull flag. Positive MACDs. All right. NASDAQ, S&Ps 95 up to even. I would look to short them. Okay. Market's quiet. NASDAQ 25,795 to 25,007. It's an 805. I looked at short. 90.10. I think silver's going 90.10. Probably. No, can it? Do me a favor. Okay, can you All right. This silver. I agree. I think the silver is going to get one more push down here. What a short up here, 92. Oh my God. If this silver gets down to the, I would say 89.90 to 90.20, I'd take a scalp long on silver. Sorry? Jeff, can you text me which one, please? Jeff? Jeffrey? If the silver can get to 89.90 to 90.20 range. Well, you got your choice. You just got filled at 90 at 36 just now. So this gold was a good caboose. See, the gold was an easy pattern because of the fact that the 15s reversed the sell and it correlated with its 60. Right, here goes the gold. Here goes the silver. Killer automation. Good, great call, 90-10. We're going to get there. Gold down 11. Silver, I missed it by 3 cents. Look at that. All right. See if we get. All right, we're going to have the raffle at, oh, wow. Just ran. All right, let's just give it a chance. I said between 89.90 and 90.20, I would look to buy them. Gold's getting cabooshed. You got long here? Trader Joe? That's why I said exit the longs here. Double red short. Should have sold them. All right, we're going to do the, okay, let's see if the S&P and NASDAQ can drop here. Gold just got cabooshed about 11-12 off the highs on the double red short. The 15-minute time frames did it. Look at the 15-minute time frames on the gold. This was the pattern right here. Into the negative MACD monster bear flag. Monster bear flag. Copper probably is going to be a buy here. Can you believe this copper dropped 8 cents off the high? I'd buy this copper here, 93.95 range. This copper is going to go. Here it was a good long. It traded up. I think this copper is going to go. Look at the oversold. I think copper is going to go. Silver just ran 20 cents. Right here, 30 cents. Missed it by 3 cents. Monster bear flag. Well, the 15 just reversed to buy. I would look to buy the next pullback and go long NASDAQ. There goes this. Look at this silver. Unbelievable. Unbelievable on silver. Iceman, you covered the short. Great job, Iceman. Wow, silver 40 cents up. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Damn it. Good job. The next insight. Good job, Iceman. Up 2 G's. Good job. 40 cents up on the silver. So missed it by 3 cents. Look at this. All right, I canceled the gotta wait for a short. Let's see if we get one more push up. Oh man, that's wow. Gold kaboom, silver kaboom. Where's the copper? Anybody get long this copper? I'm scared to look. They didn't go anywhere. Wow. Still look to buy this copper 93.95. What was canceled? If you were long, I would exit the long. Yes, up 30, 40 cents. Absolutely, yes, I would have exited the long. If this, I'd like to know what he must be trading his own money. You're doing 8 micros. It's got to be trading your own money. Hopefully, you get one more push down here. What a short up here. Oh my God. They've been quiet. It's this copper. Can you believe this copper got kabooshed the way it did? There goes the copper. Get another push up here, at least to 96. This is a short. I said 0250. If the silver. This is one of the quietest nights in silver, though. Yesterday was wild. Not yet. No, no, Ragav. I wouldn't short it. Silver just rallied 50 cents. Yesterday was crazy. I was trying to buy 87s when it was trading 86.12, and I couldn't even. No, not there's no. I wouldn't look to short gold yet. No. The market's going nowhere. How could you say the market's going the moon? How could you say the market's going nowhere? Okay, we started here. Okay, pulled in, pushed up, got kabooshed. So from here to here, you're looking at dollar 77. How are you saying that the market's doing nothing and then right back up? The moon gamer. I have no idea what you're talking about. Joe Crypto, what's going on, Joe Crypto? Great job, Lee. Great job. Figure it out. Figure it out.
Yes.
You do 30 micros. Missed the silver by 3 cents. Back to Doji candles on MNQ. Not me. Not me at all. No way. No way. All right. Trying to figure this out here now. Nothing. If you look at the underlying ETF, you're still bullish here on the 30-minute. See, when they pushed up here, these negative MACDs halted. And then here's the 60-minute right here. I don't know what he's talking about. So the Moon Gamer's got a, I don't know. And here's the 60-minute looking like it wants to turn up, but it will run into a brick wall here with this negative MACD though. Silver just ran 50. Let's see. Silver, that's not a movement. 50 cents here. That's not a movement. From here down, here down, here down, here down. Right? That's not a movement. I don't know. I mean, today is a slow night compared to yesterday. I'll tell you that. Richard, you know the answer to that, Richard. Please. I don't even know what the I'm not even looking at a doji. Please. Good job, damn. D-Man. Good job. Great job, D-Man. Dinner on a silver plate. Why not? Why not? All right. I'm going to get one more push down here on the double red. Let me see. 80. One bourbon, one scotch. Analysis of gold for London session. Oh, put the long upper G on silver. I love it. Silva, S-I-L-V-A, Silva. I got everybody talking like me. All right, so for the London session, big numbers to watch here. Okay, the 30-minute. If the 30-minute takes out and closes below 45.95, and if the 60-minute closes, well, very simply, if the 30-minute reverses to sell, here you'll be in a negative trend on the 15, 30, and 60. Okay. And if the 60-minute takes out 634, which is 30 plus points higher, okay. I said look to buy copper 93, 95 range. Okay. If you take out this 4,620, you'll correlate the gold with the 30-minute. And then if the big number here, 4,634, okay, then you would be in a positive trend. So again, we got to wait. Let's see what copper did here. If you're long this copper, I said look to buy copper 94.95. If you bought one lot of copper, just raise your stops right here. Got down to 94.90. Copper's going to go. Anybody get the long in copper? I wouldn't buy silver here. No, not up at there. The raffle starts at 950. Raffle starts at 950. Waiting for gold to dump. I think it's going to happen. Silver just got cabooshed. Oh, come on, Steven. Fuck. Dropped on this bear flag. Giveaways happen at a spin of we 950, but you need to sign into the link above before 9 o'clock. You need to create an account with My Funded Futures. There goes the gold cabooshin. Damn it. Papa Trump talking here. You have to enter by signing in on the top, but it's after 9 o'clock. You have to do it before 9. Jesus. Yeah, well, I wanted to get the gold a little higher. Silver just dropped 40 cents. Damn it. Yep. So the gold pushed up to the right here. The 07. I was thinking higher. Wow, silver just dropped 50 cents. Come on, Stephen. You take your eye off silver and it runs 16 cents. The silver gets down to the 90 to 90.32 range. I'd be scaling into longs. And 20 cents. 50 down, 20 up. I'm not taking the silver down for shit. Look at this, 30 up. Look at this. I'm telling you, blink, it's gone. You blink. I'm not taking the silver down. Nope. What a bear flag. 83. Down to 24. 60 cents. I start scaling out above 35 on the silver. Get up. Gotta be kidding me, really? Boom, there goes the stop orders. Oh, I gotta buy this silver. Whoa. There goes the stops. Oh, wow. Boom. Out. Oh, my God. There you go. Way to get down to stop orders. If it gets down to the 40-70 range, I just bought a bunch of it down there. Wow. Oh, my God almighty. Oh, my God. That's a cabooshin. Kaboosh. Oh, my God. Silver's down 2 cents. If you long this silver, got to go probably got to go wide. These are the stop orders, 40 to 70 range. God, you see that? See how fast I'm. Oh my God Almighty! I just see that time when it dropped. I just clicked away. I was clicking, clicking, clicking. Unbelievable! Unbelievable! You blink. Good job, Phoenix Insight. Oh my God! If you're long down there, scale out of longs. Oh my goodness gracious! I love when those stop orders take. Wow. Nasdaq looked to cover shorts between the 80 and 88. S&P's anywhere between the 95, 94 and a half and 95 and a half range. Wow, this silver is going to get kabooshed again. The guy who bought 92s jumped. Charts, I know this time. Can you imagine the charts didn't freeze? You're right. I was clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking. Good Lord. That was Hendricks? I don't know. He's sleeping somewhere. He's out, my boy. You get the long down there? Oh, no, you're not doing anything. Sorry. It never traded 90 and a half. It never traded. How could you buy 80, 90 and a half? I must be crazy. I didn't see no 90 and a half. The high is 90.08. I'd be buying them here. Oh my God. Get on longs here. 65 to 70 if you're long. Oh my God. Look at them go. Look at them go. Go! Here we go. Buy it again. 89.10 to 89. 89.10. 89 to 89.35. Wow. Oh my God, the silver. This is a kabooshin. Boom. Get out of any longs, 35 to 40 range. Oh my God, I'm going in and out like a lunatic here. Oh my God. Oh my God, what's the low? So now what you do is you take the prior low, so you go anywhere from the 88.91 to 89.21 range. Okay, scale out. Oh, let go. Raise your stops. Wow. Raise your stops. This is a casino. Oh my God. Go get them, happy kids. Oh, 97.05. Okay, I thought you said 97.50. I apologize. Go, go, go! Get in there. Calm down, mate. Nah, nobody tells me to calm down. How wide? If I do a 30, oh, you're going to get stopped. Again, if you bought the 21s here, so if I call a range right now, let's say I call a range 88, 88, 91 to 89, 21, maybe go every 10, every 8 to 10. If you're still long, start scaling out of longs here. James Robertson, you okay? Jeff, you okay? There you go. Franco, get in there. Candace, you long, Candace, down there? Candace? Oh, this gold's finished. Whew. Silver's going to pop here. Silver's going to go negative on the 30-minute time frame. You got to look for shorts now. Okay? Hitman, get in there, Hitman. Kid, go get him on the gold. Good job. Oh, gold drop 10. On that bull flag. Okay, now I mean S&Ps and Nasdaq, I would look to buy pullbacks on the 5. The 15's reversed to buy here. Oof. Oh my god. Just made $1,900. You see that right there? Oof. Look at the silver go. Look at this. Wow. Look at this silver. Up 40 cents. Wow. Johnny C, what's up, brother? No, I'm not looking to short with the 15s like this. No, I'm not looking to short them like that now. No. Let's see if we get one more. The silver's insane. Oh my god. Now you're going to get a bear flag setting up, but it could go into 95 range. You want to take a scalp short only. Scalp short only. 90, 89, 88, 89, 88, 89, 90 to 90, 20. 90. Look at this rally. Look at this rally. Oh my God, what a rally. What a rally. Candace, get in there, Candace. Get in there, Candace. Great job, Phoenix Insight. Because I missed the silver by 2 cents again. You can go 89, 85. Here we go. Come on, let's go 88. 89, 88, 89, 86. 87, 88. Here we go. 88. Go 89, 88 to 90, 18 for the short, for a scalp. What a short. What a long. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a great job. Cover silver below 88 if you're short. Is it true, Steve? You can't win if you don't. No, I didn't say anything like that. I said you can't win if you don't have a My Fund the Futures account. Bizarre man, how much you make? 585. Good job. Silver moves too fast every second. What do you mean, just tonight? Wow. Wow, Jeff just made $5,000 trading silver. Good job, Jeffrey. Wow. That's insane. Anybody out there like a 5-day free trial? Why should I yell one more time? I'm exhausted. When you get those flush downs like that, kabooshed! Lower your stops if you're short. On the bear flag. Oh my God. If you want a 5-day free trial, text me 914-500-7484. Phoenix Insight. Great job, Phoenix Insight. Anybody get the short there? If anybody, wow. 914-500-7484. If anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day from 8:30 to 4. Okay. Dragon Trades, great job. Silver just dropped. Anybody short? Phoenix Insight, you short on this bear flag? That's possible. Yes, that's possible. We're trading silver. Nasdaq's dropping. Digicap up 1,500. Jeffrey, great job, Jeffrey. Great job, Lee. 3,500. Oh my God. Wild. Wild, wild, and wild. I never short. Oh my God. If you like one, please text me 914-500-7484. I'd be careful being here. If the 15s are starting to turn up here. If you're still short, lower your stops here. Oh my goodness gracious. Congratulations to everybody who did really well here tonight. Really, really congratulations. That's a great job. All right, we're going to do the raffle in 4 minutes. Is gold going to be bound? I don't know. I think gold's going lower tonight, but we'll see. I mean, who knows? James Robertson, you okay? James? Who else is here tonight? Michael, Jeff, Lee, Hugo Boss. Wow. Chirino, David P, Pac-Man. Get in there, Pac-Man. All right, 2 minutes. 4 minutes, sorry. And again, if anybody new wants, oh, look at this silver. Look at the 15s are turning up. Oh, forget it. Oh my God, gold. What does silver get up to? 18. Oh yeah. If silver gets up to the 90-25 to 55, I probably look to take a scalp short. The 15s are turning up here. Gold is a beast. I think silver. Oh my God. So, look at silver, 27. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my Lord. All right, we got the raffle in 3 minutes. Lead show, how are you? Look at this. I told you the 15s are going to turn up. Look at the silver. Just ran $1. Look to cover silver between the 90.10 and 90.25 range if you're short. Here, look at this. Look at this low. 89.24. No, it went lower. 21. This silver is a beast. It makes the NASDAQ look stupid. NASDAQ, I said look to cover NASDAQ short between 85 and 90, and then you got to buy the pullback on the 5-minute time frame. I would look to buy because the 15 reversed to buy. You want to buy the 5 oversold condition. Silver's dropping. Serial trader, get in there. Wow, look at the silver drop. Marzina, thank you. Gold, oh my God. The 15 right here, Dave. Right here. Look at this silver. It's got kabooshed. All right, we're ready to do the raffles. You guys ready? The rule is, if I can't read it, good luck. I'm not calling it. Okay? Anybody get the short there? Let's go. Raffle time. It's time to put these bad boys on. And anybody who wants a 5-day free trial, please text me, 914-500-74. Running Man, 1987. Running Man. Running Man. Is he here?
Yeah, it's me.
That's you?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Even though, good job. He's here. He's sitting right next to me. How's that? Next. Next. SK Futures. Love that name. SK Futures. SK Futures. Going once. Going twice. What's not fair? Get the hell out of here. I had no idea he even entered. SK Futures. That's not me. He's not here. Next. Too bad. He should have won. Look at his silver drop. Short. Who is it? I didn't win anything. Here we go. Bizarro Man, 9796. Bizarro Man. Am I saying it right? Bizarro Man, 9796. Running Man never wins. Trust me. Bizarro Man. I seen him here tonight. He's here? 2. ELSKIU. ELSKIU. Are you here? No? He's here? He's here. Next! The server gets down to the 4575. I would look to take along again. Monkey Secret. See, that's an easy name. Monkey Secret. Monkey Secret. Are you here? Monkey Secret. Are you here? SK Futures too late? Why is he here? SK Futures? Monkey Secret. Next! Oh my God. Xi Trades. XIA Trades. Xi Trades. Are you here? Xi Trades. Xi Trades. When did Xi Trade win again? Next! Bizarro, man, you're going to get contacted. SK Futures is here. We might as well give it to SK Futures. He's here. Okay. 40 KUYA. 40 KUYA. 40 KUYA. 40 Kai. Guy's here too? All right. We'll give it to him. 40 KUYA. All right, Xi was here. All right, we'll give it to both are here. All right, we'll give it to both. SK Futures and Xi. First time here, what's happening? Oh my God. Please call me. Next! How many is that? 5? I don't even know how many that is. Oh, 40 Caillou's here? All right, here he is. Melvin, 1088. Who's that?
I don't know.
Is that him?
I don't know.
Can you text him? Is that him? What? I'm about to say next in 4 seconds. Melvin, 1088. Melvin, 1088. He's here? All right. Next! Great job, Phoenix Insights. Corp Trades. Corp Trades. I'm not rewarding people for not being active. They're here. They're here. They're here. You got to be here, Rule. I understand. They're here. They're saying they're here. He's here. I'm reading it. He's here. I'm not giving it to people who aren't here. All right, this silver, look to sell out this. So if you bought this silver, look to sell 75 to 90. Jose Kenny Nadahiro. Oh, he means that? Oh, I don't know. Well, I can't. I don't know. I can't. Look at this. Look at it go. Look at this silver go. Next. He's here. Okay. Now the heroes here. Elite Trader, NQ. Wow, look at this silver go. Wow. Silver just ran 30 cents. Elite Trader, NQ. Elite Trader, Melvin's here, okay? Melvin was here, I said that before. Not 20 minutes later. Come on. How do you enter the giveaway? You have to sign up before 9 o'clock. I don't know, Denny. How many is that? I don't even know how that. Elite Trader, anybody? Next. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. If you're not here, you're not getting an account, period. Okay? Okay? Internet Explorer. Going once. Oh, he's here. See? He's here. He gets it. The other 3 people are not getting if they weren't here. Okay? But people here are saying they're here, so I'm only going by what people are saying. All right. I think that's 10 right there. Okay? Okay? I'm only going by what people are saying here. He's here, he's here, he's here. Okay? I'm not just making it up. All right? All right. All right. If you bought the silver here, it just got down, let's see here, 66 and then trade all the way up to 91. All right. Nice little bear flag on the gold. That just got cabooshed about 5. All right. NASDAQ and S&Ps are forming a nice little bull flag on the 5-minute. Claudio, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations. Tony, whatsoever. Anybody new here, you can please text me, and I'll give you a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Just text me, 914-500-7484. All right. All right, it's 10 o'clock, everybody. I want to say thank you, and please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Also, if you like, have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for my funded futures. Thank you. Thank you to Denny. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you for all of you for being here. I want to say thank you again. And I'll see you here Monday night. Even though it's a holiday, I will be here Monday night at 8 o'clock. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. And of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.